Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA of Jasmy, and let's jump straight into it and analyze. If you've been following my channel, my last TA on Jasmy, you know we were expecting this move. We just needed volume, we were in the demand zone, and so on. You guys can check this video out 2 days ago, 2 to 3 days ago. I posted this TA, and lo and behold, as you guys see, we held the support right here. We were in the demand zone, we were going up, and we were getting some kind of resistance right over here. So far the TA was spot on, and we got some gains out of it if you traded this. However, it is not done yet, guys. We still have to break this trend line. We are still below the 21, 30 and 50 SMA, which is a huge resistance area, right? And once we go above these areas, we will have a huge uptrend. But first, let's look at this falling wedge still in the daily. You guys are seeing we are still in this falling wedge. We are holding the support right here, the key area right here. We are making a higher high and a higher low. However, we are still not broke out. We didn't break out of this trend line. As you guys see, when we are falling wedge, we have to break out of the trend line before we have an uptrend continuation. Now, before we do that, we need one thing. And again, if you've been following my channel, you know what that is. Volume. We need more volume, because if there's more volume, it reflects back to the price action. And once we break over this area, this trend line right over here, we can use this as a support. So previous resistance will become current support. Very important to understand. However, as you guys are seeing right over here, there's a lot of activities, just mean there's a lot of support at these areas, right? But at the moment, since we are below, you guys can see we're below right over here. This is also resistance. So we have to go above the VPVR level, right? That just means there's a lot of sellers and buyers at these levels. If you take a look at the RSI, we are below 50 in the daily. Again, if you've been following my channel, you know what that means. Once we are below 50, that means we are on a downtrend, right? So we have to break the 50 area before we see an uptrend continuation. That doesn't make we still can make gains, because as you guys see, we did actually make some great gains. So if we bought around here, we had around 18 to 19% gains. And a fast look at our RSI stock, we are heavily oversold in the daily. Now these are the accumulation area. You buy when you are oversold, and you of course sell when you overbought right there. So you sell here, you buy here, right? You buy low, sell high, not the opposite. You don't buy high and sell low, all right? Yes. You lose profit. But anyway, as you guys see, we are heavily oversold, and usually that means we have to bounce back in a matter of time. So like something like this, right? And to be up, and down, something like that. However, we have to break out and make a confirmation before this get valid, right? So it's important, because the price can actually just consolidate like this in the demand zone for a while, and then it looks like it's oversold, and then the overbought and then oversold area, right? We don't want that. So once we have a confirmation for a breakout, right, made a higher high, it broke off from the trend line, kept it as a support, that's a great confirmation. Now we have to keep an eye on these SMA 21, 30 and 50. If it doesn't break these SMA and it got rejected at this SMA, I will personally sell out and I will buy more at these levels, right? So again, these can get invalidated. Remember, we work as a trader with probabilities, no guarantees. However, we still need to wait for the confirmation before we can see any upside. But yet again, guys, remember, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence before you invest in any of these projects. You might get yourself wrecked if you have no idea what you're doing. To measure other resistance levels, because these areas are actually pretty huge. If we break out all the way to the top, that's at 100%, right? But on the way, there will be some kind of resistance levels. And the VPVR we can use as a tool. We can also use, if you've been following my channel, you know about this tool, trend-based Fib extension. So we can take from the bottom to the top, all the way to the bottom right here. And as you guys see, surprise, surprise, the VPVR and the Fib levels are aligned with each other, all right? Guys, hand in hand, TA 101. So we can actually see right now, right over here, this level, this Fib level, which is the key Fib level 0618, there's a high resistance area. And the second high resistance area is at 0786, all right? The other resistance areas is right over here. We have a small resistance, as you guys see right over here. Let me just lock this. As you guys see right here, it is aligned right over this area. If you guys haven't seen it, Right over here, it is aligned with the VPPR and the FIB level, as you guys see here. The second will most likely be around these levels. All right. These are the second resistance area. So we have to go above these levels. So we have to break this, break the resistance right here. And remember the 21, 30 and 50 SMA. We also have to break these kind of SMAs, right? But we have to break this resistance levels at the price levels 0.027. All right. Once we break that, we have to held it as a support and then break another key area, which is the golden pot, which is the 0382, which is a heavy resistance also here. Once we break that, we can have an uptrend continuation, but there's a lot of resistance on the way. That's just means the supply is greater than demand. All right, we need liquidity, we need money inflow before we see any moves to the upside. However, guys, as always, every altcoin and Jasmy is correlated with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops 10-20%, most likely all coins will drop 50 to 60%. Be aware of that. We can also look at the market dominance, guys. Again, if you've been following my channel, you know exactly what it is. I have made it easy to understand. But the market dominance is just that when Bitcoin dominance are falling down, altcoin Ethereum dominance is going up. That just means that altcoin is outperforming Bitcoin in percent, not in price, but in percent. All right, that just means that currency is being moving around. And so far, what we are seeing at the moment, we were in a rising wedge. We did fall first support as a draw, second support, and now we are losing second support. That just means once this breaks out and Bitcoin goes down, altcoin will rise, because Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoin dominance goes up. All right, then Jasmy price will most likely go up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel to give this video a big thumbs up and also join our Discord server, guys. So yeah, guys, see you in the Discord server.